Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be super duper practical because everything is online nowadays. It's on Zoom or Google Meet or this or that. So everything is online, meeting, classes, everything. So we need to look presentable, okay? So I am here with another makeup tutorial, and I haven't done makeup tutorials in a while. So it's been 1 or 2 weeks I haven't done a tutorial, so I'm doing it after a very long time. So yeah, let's just get started. I'm in school, so I don't need this makeup tutorial, but anyways, anyone who has the meetings and stuff can definitely go for it. Yeah, so let's just get started. So I'm not gonna use any foundation. I just forgot to say that I'm gonna use less than 10 products and only 2 tools in this video. That is a blender and a normal stippling brush. Otherwise, I'm not gonna use anything. So let's start. So first, obviously, you have to moisturize your face. Even if it's online class, even if it's offline class, even if it is anything like that, moisturizing your face is important. I mean, it's obviously important for obvious reasons, and I'm using the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer for glowing and non-sticky skin. So I've been trying it since 2 or 3 days, and this feels really nice on the skin, and it's quite similar to the Neutrogena one. So I can say that it's almost a dupe to the Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Water Gel. Obviously that has its own properties, but this is very similar to that one. And this smells so, it smells so delicious. That's what is coming to my mind. So yeah. Now next, I've got dark circles, not that much, but still I have, because of continuous exposure to the screen for a very long time. I have got dark circles, so I'm just using a full coverage concealer, and that's why I'm not using any foundation. So I am just concealing it, and this is my first time talking while doing makeup, so this is very exciting for me. And I'm just blending it like this. I'm just moving the product so that it gives a natural look, nothing else, nothing special. Okay, you can obviously moisturize your lips, but I had already moisturized them before the video, so please do that as well. Yeah, so I'm just concealing a bit more, a little bit over here, and if you have any pimples or thing, I don't have it, so I'm not gonna do it. Yeah, so let's just, all you guys have been requesting me to do a video with my pug, that's Poppins, and I'm gonna officially introduce him as well, because so many people commented and so many people were interested in him, so that's why. And also that so many people requested to do a horror challenge on my latest video, which was I tried talking to Angela, so at 3 AM. Yeah, so if you haven't watched those videos, please do. And till the time, let's just continue with our makeup. So yeah, so I'll be doing those videos, and those videos will be coming pretty soon, okay? Give me some time to edit them, and they'll be coming pretty soon. And now we're just done with our concealer. Now this concealer is a brightening one. You can also go with a concealer that has a very natural finish, which is just your skin tone, so you can obviously do that, but I wanted a brightened effect, so I am just using this. And it also has a yellow undertone which brightens, so always look for concealers or foundations or powders that have a yellow undertone. If you have a warm undertone or neutral undertone, yellow undertones are the best. And if you have a pinkish undertone, then you can go for those pinkish undertone things. So yeah, and how to find undertones, that I don't think so I'll be able to say that in this video, because I don't think so my veins will be visible because they're hardly visible. So yeah. Now I'm just doing a bit of blush because you need to look fresh while you do any meeting or anything, and you want to look presentable, because I mean blush can just make you look so much fresh, and it can make you just look so awake, and it can just make you look so nice and chubby. And so I like to look a bit chubby, and applying blush over here kind of gives you a bit more flushed, a bit more natural, and also it gives you a kind of look like you know, a bit more fresh and bit more lively kind of look. Whereas if you want to look very pulled out and formal, then you can definitely go like apply the blush over here. So yeah, and I'm just still applying, and I just want to go a bit more because stick blushes are very natural, and that is why I went for a stick blush. Now I have done my blush. I'm just gonna blend a little bit. So you see this, and now I'll take a loose, not a loose powder, a compact powder, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. This for normal to oily skin, so I think so combination skin can also use it. So taking my damp beauty blender, I'll just take it like this and apply it under my eyes so that my concealer does not crease. You can also use it with a dry sponge, it will work. I just used it with a damp sponge because I wanted a more natural look. So yeah, and I'm just setting my blush as well. And then if you just want a very natural look, just go ahead with your powder like this and just apply it. I mean, you can obviously do that, but I think so my blush is reduced, so I'm gonna add a bit more of it so that, you know, my face has a bit more color. Adding colors in your life is so important. I mean, I think so I'm much more comfortable talking. I mean, it's really good to have a voiceover video, but my personal preference is to talk while doing makeup. But I really don't know why, because it feels like you're not alone, because when you do a voiceover makeup you cannot, you know, keep on talking, otherwise it's gonna be like, so you cannot talk much. Whereas when you're actually talking, you actually are, you know, indulged in something, and it doesn't feel like you're a ghost. I mean, anyways, so next we'll just do a bit of our eyebrows, because eyebrows frame your face and it's super important to do your eyebrows. So I'm just using my Etude House pencil. So I'll just get a close up and just see. Now what I like to do is I just like to draw one line under my eye, like eyebrow, not my eye, and like this, as an like literally underlining your eyebrows. And then I'll just, you know, put some short strokes in between, just randomly. Yeah, so now I'm back in focus, and yeah, so I just put small strokes, and now I'm just brushing the spoolie, and this will just distribute the product. And you know, I like to leave my eyebrows like this because like at the last it's gonna come down and it's gonna set. But this will make your eyebrows stay in place for a longer time if you don't like using brow gels like me. So you can obviously do that. And next we will do a kajal. Like I'll not do a kajal on my lower lash line, nor on like an eyeliner. I'm not gonna do it that way. I'll just, you know, do this. I'm just gonna line this part, and the best way to do it is to close your eyes and simply do it like this. So this makes your eyes look bigger and you look wide, more awake. Like, looking awake is important. And now I think so I should do a kajal as well, because I mean, let's just do it. But if you have really small eyes, you can skip this part as well, or go for a white. Do not go for white kajal, go for something that has a neutral color, like a gold or something like that. Don't go for white because white can make you look like a ghost. I'm just lining it very lightly, just like that. Okay, nothing more. Now I'll take the Sugars Lash Mob Limitless Mascara and I'll just apply a generous coat of it. I mean, I'm not even curling my lashes because I know that this has a wonderful wand.
So I'm just applying my mascara and on the lower lash line as well.
And the thing I love about this mascara is that it has like an average wand, like which is not too thick or not too thin, which can give you volume and length, and also it allows you to do the lower lash line. Otherwise you mess it up like this and that looks horrible. So I think so we're just done with our base and eyes, which is super quick. And now we'll just do our lips and it'll be over. Okay, so for my final product, like I'm gonna use a lip liner, and you can definitely fill it in and that becomes your lipstick, but I'll just go for a lipstick. Like I have two shades. This is the Maybelline's creamy matte lipstick, maybe that edition that comes in $2.99, and this is also the Faces Canada lipstick. That these both are for $2.99, and this is in the shade 657 Nude Nuance, and this is in 01, that is for Sig Beauty. Now these both shades are wonderful for Indian skin tone, but as I've not done anything on my eyes, like on your eyes, if you want to just go a little bit more, you can definitely use a brown eyeshadow and apply it and on your eyes. Obviously you can do that, or you can add or subtract steps just according to how you like the makeup to be. But I'm just gonna do it. So, and I'm gonna apply this tone of lipstick because I haven't done anything on my eyes today, so I'm just gonna use a darker lipstick today, and actually I'm gonna mix the two, so that'll make a better shade. I had to say that always make sure that everything is balanced. Like if you're going for bold eyes, go for nude lips. If you're going for bold lips, go for nude eyes. I mean, that will give you a balance and that will look much better. Obviously sometimes you can go bold on bold, but that's not always so practical. So I'm just applying this. So I have applied it, and now what I'm gonna do with this lipstick is that I'm just gonna dab it in between. And I think so I'm done with the tutorial. Like it is such a fresh look. Like you can do a bronzer if you want, but I just wanted to keep it minimal and quick and practical, because obviously no one will see that you've done a bronzer or not. If you want to, but if you like, if that's your personal preference, you can definitely go and do a bronzer. Maybe you can contour your nose, and but I just prefer staying like this and natural. Like I don't even do makeup when it comes to school, because obviously who notices, and my camera is mostly off. So yeah, but this is just in case you have to look presentable if you have something, so you can definitely go for this. And yeah, so this was it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys, and yes, do like, share and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Shivakshi Dikshit. So yeah, this was it for today's video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.